Hi and welcome. Today we are going to explore novel coronavirus. It has affected the entire world and most probably it is the most common topic that might appear for either reading comprehensions or for writing. So let us explore from the very basics. The reading comprehension that is before us is what is novel coronavirus? The coronavirus are of a category of viruses that affect the respiratory system of mammals. One of the meanings of the word novel is new. Please make a note of it as we are going to face the reading comprehension questions after this. So, novel coronavirus is a new coronavirus, meaning it has not yet been identified by and is not familiar to scientists and the medical community. Coronavirus disease, make a note of the word coronavirus disease, how it is placed. Coronavirus disease. CO stands for the name of the virus, VI stands for virus, and D stands for disease, and the year in which it was discovered, that is in December 2019. That is how it got its name, COVID-19, and is not the same as any other coronavirus we have seen before. There are many kinds of coronaviruses. The most common coronavirus that affects human as well as one of the mildest is the common cold. Make a note of this, common cold, and is caused by a type of coronavirus. The flu is also a coronavirus. Make a note of this. The word also means additional information. That means flu is separate and common cold is separate. This kind of information, the way it is given, might go unnoticed. So these are the two types that affect the humans. Each kind of the coronavirus has certain characteristics, and the scientists classify coronaviruses according to what characteristics they share. There are four main types of coronaviruses. Make a note of this. They are called alpha, beta, delta, and gamma. And then on what basis these are classified? They are classified on the basis of what characteristics they share. The most common only affect mammals, but coronavirus that falls into the alpha and beta category. Make a note of this. Those viruses that fall in the alpha and beta category can be transmitted from mammals to humans, which is what scientists believe happened with COVID-19. The novel coronavirus COVID-19 first appeared in Wuhan, China at the end of 2019. The CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, and D stands for disease. The 19 represents when the virus was appeared. This name follows the best practices followed by the World Health Organization (WHO) for how the name new infectious disease affecting the human population. COVID-19 is not the first coronavirus to cause a pandemic. Pandemic means something that spreads faster and larger than a disease. In 2002, the severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS virus also originated in China, dying off the following year. That means it ended in the following year, in 2003. The Middle East respiratory syndrome MERS coronavirus originated in Saudi Arabia in 2012 and continues to infect people today. Now let us go to the reading comprehension. Question answers. While reading, I had made certain pointers, that means to make a note of it. I'm sure the students had made a note of the pointers. What does the word novel in novel coronavirus mean? The word new was mentioned. I'm sure the students will be able to construct the answer, but one word answer will definitely not help the students. It has to be framed in a sentence, and the stem is to be taken from the question itself. The word novel in novel coronavirus means new. Name 2 common coronaviruses that affect humans. I'm sure the students made a note of it, the cold and flu. But again, the construction is to be the 2 common coronaviruses that affect humans are common cold and flu. How many types of coronaviruses are there and how are they classified? There are 4 types: alpha, beta, gamma, and alpha, beta, delta, and gamma, and they are classified according to the characteristics they share. Name the 4 classifications of coronavirus. The 4 classifications are alpha, beta, delta, and gamma. Which category of coronaviruses can be transmitted from mammals to humans? Alpha and beta, these are the 2 categories that can be transferred from mammals to humans. You must have seen that I'm repeating the entire stem as the answer. What do the different parts of the name COVID-19 mean? CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease, and 19 stands for the year 2019 in which it was discovered. The last question: what previous coronaviruses caused pandemics? One is SARS, the second is MERS. Write the incomplete form, that incomplete sentence. The 2 previous coronaviruses that caused pandemics are SARS and MERS. Write the complete or full form. Thank you.